Hi GME aspirants, so you want to know about Shipping Corporation of India and about the Maritime Training Institute. So let's talk about that in detail. तो पहले तो जानते हैं कि एस सी एम टी है कहाँ पे. सो इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन प्रॉपर मुंबई इन पोवई. पोवई सबसे पॉश इलाकों में से आता है मुंबई में, और वहीं पर एस सी आई का कॉलेज लोकेटेड है. आई हैव बीन देयर, हैव कंडक्टेड सेमिनार देयर. ऑसम जगह है भाई. नॉर्मली यू फाइंड मैरिटाइम कॉलेजेस फार अवे, जंगलों में होते हैं, दूर होते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज द लैंड इज चीप देयर. But because SCMTI was formed very early, so that is why even today it is located in Mumbai itself. So it was built in 1988 to meet the training and retraining requirements of its shore and fleet personnel. ठीक है. शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में आप जानते हैं. इंडिया की कंपनी है, इंडियन कंपनी है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ओवरव्यू ऑफ द कोर्स. वेल, जस्ट वन थिंग, अगर आप SCMTI से यू आर डूइंग योर GME, then definitely you're going to join ships of Shipping Corporation of India itself only. So they have got one GME batch that is in March for 40 cadets. Pre-sea training is of 8 months. Fees for boys is 5 lakhs, fees for girls is 4.5 lakhs. Then after 8 months you go on ship for 4 months, then you come back, then you again go on ship for 6 months, and after that you can go for your class for exams. So the good thing is even you are earning in this 4 months as well. तो थोड़ा और पैसे कम लगे, then you save money as well. But the only concern is the waiting period. कितना है भाई? That is something that we have to know. Next slide please. Eligibility criteria. Candidate should have scored a minimum 50% marks in the final year of BTech Mechanical or Mechanical and Automobile or Mechanical and Electronics or Mechanical and Automation Engineering or Naval Architecture. So you can see the clear word Mechanical is mentioned with mix of any other thing or automobiles or automation there. Not Mechatronics. Mechanical. So this. Apart from that, if you have done a 5-year integrated course from ME or MTech engineering degree, then 50% marks in the final year of the 5-year integrated degree as well. Candidates should not have secured at less than 50% marks in English in 10th or 12th or in degree course. ठीक है, 10th और 12th. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So next is eligibility criteria. Age should not be more than 28 years as on the date of interview. ये मैंशन है वेबसाइट पे. ओके, नॉट कमेंसमेंट ऑफ कोर्स. तो हर जगह पे कुछ कुछ अलग लिखा हुआ है. रिलैक्सेशन फॉर SC/ST कैंडिडेट्स 5 years, दैट इज अप टू 33 years ऑफ एज. रिलैक्सेशन फॉर वुमेन कैंडिडेट्स 2 years, दैट इज अप टू 30 years ऑफ एज. रिलैक्सेशन फॉर OBC कैंडिडेट्स दैट इज 3 years, दैट इज अप टू 31 years ऑफ एज. ओके फाइन, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Eligibility criteria, medical standards, you should not be color blind. Eyesight में ideally it should be 6/6, but if in case it is 6/12 and 6/12 in both eyes, okay fine. Worst case 6/9 in one eye and 6/18 in the another eye. Fine. How to apply? Simple भैया, जाओ वेबसाइट के ऊपर, go to the link, apply. After successful submission of online application form, take print of the application form. It is required at the time of document verification before the interview. Download and print the hall ticket for online examination. Appear for online examination. Check the result on the MTI SCI website. ऑनलाइन में आपका टेस्ट अच्छा चला गया है, देन यू गो फॉर योर इंटरव्यू, क्लियर द इंटरव्यू, कम इन टू द मेरिट लिस्ट एंड देन गो फॉर योर मेडिकल टेस्ट. सिंपल. आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो कॉलेज. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू नो इन डिटेल्स अबाउट SCI Maritime College, then go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to the college portal. Once you click over here, you'll find something like this. You go and click on the GME course over here. Once you click, you come on to this highly recommended page where you got these colleges and other colleges down below. So out here you will find SCI as well. Click on the SCI, like you can find Samudra over here. When you click on SCI, it comes like this. You can see the overview, eligibility criteria, fees, registration process, syllabus and placement records over here. Apart from that, you find all the details. You can also find the reviews given by the SCI students over here. Abhi tak we are trying, but we have got just 7 reviews till now. We'll be making efforts to get there. So you can find over here how much is the waiting period, because these are given by the college students themselves. And on behalf of Merchant Navy Decoded, I request all the GME aspirants, those who are already studying in SCI college, please share your reviews on the college portal so that others can be guided. With this, all I can say is thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. If you like the video, please subscribe Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel. If you like the video, please follow me on Chief Engineer Praneeth. This is my WhatsApp number. You can ask your query, and this is the email ID teammerchantnavy@gmail.com, where you can ask your query. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.